Ben, maiwan ka. Sige. Wait lang, let me just get a trolley. Bye.
Bye, babe.
Bye, Finn. See you. Bye, babe. Wow. Yun yung immigration and security. Very, very straightforward airport. And then, train agad to your gates. First time ko actually dito, to be quite honest. Yung last time ko nasa Emirates Terminal, nung COVID pa. Yeah, kasi madalas doon ako sa Terminal 1. Philippine Airlines, sometimes Oman, or I tried Cathay. But yeah, Emirates going to the Philippines last time was, yeah, long time ago. Excited na kayo kumain ng kanin?
Uli.
Ha?
Uli. Free ba quality ng kanin?
Ilang days kayo sa Netherlands? Or weeks? 19 days.
Ang team kasama nila.
Nakakamiss ba rin yung Pilipinas? Super? Talaga? Bakit? Family. Nakakamiss ba yung ano to? Yung danggit, mga tuyo.
Parang naman kasi tuwing gabi, nagluluto pa rin. Nahanap kasi talaga namin ng
Kanin. Oh. Bye-bye. Nice. Business class bus. Bye for now, Dubai.
Gentlemen, may we have your attention please? Reversible passengers and Sir Donald Dayang.
Bigay natin to sa crew para masarap yung pagkain nila. Prescription na may tint lang. Tapos Pulsenet on sale, Uniqlo again, and Mizuno. Alright, let's go. Dali na natin yung pagkain para sa kanila. Hello everyone.
Hi!
I got food for you guys.
I know you're a chef.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So this is called chicken sisig.
Okay.
It's basically.
Yes! Barbecue.
Are you guys excited?
Yes! Thank you so much. Thank you.
I've never seen my. That was a pretty cool moment with the flight crew. Hindi na namin nakunan ng video because we got all excited and we got caught in the moment because they were so giggly and surprised. Ako rin, I got so nakilig rin ako. And yeah, you know, when you look at them, they're so poised, they're so, you know, red lipsticks, ayos na ayos yung hair, and, you know, a bit intimidating because, of course, they're kind of on work mode, serious mode. But then, food is the ultimate icebreaker, I believe, right? And, yeah, simple joys. Wait lang, to be continued. Malapit na sila. Ayan na siya. Hey, is there chicken?
Yes.
Okay, one chicken.
That was the last one.
Okay, great.
Would you like to have something to drink?
Just orange juice, please.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
Would you like some ice?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I can do that
Yeah,
for
just
you.
put it there.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's kung pao chicken. Mamaya kasi may bistik eh. So, magbi-beef ako mamaya. Let me get back to what I was trying to say. Every time I get the chance, I do bring something, especially since I'm a chef and since I have a lot of food. So, I would always, I don't know. Example dito sa Dubai, syempre, it's so convenient yung ready-to-eat meals ko. Yeah, okay, third reason na lang na pinopromote ko. Or fourth, totoo. First reason is, wala, it's nice to give them something, especially hindi nila na-expect. And at the same time, para masarap yung pagkain nila. Or, hindi, sorry. Para maiba naman. You know, I'm sure they're so used to eating the same food. Grabe, priceless yung reaction nila. And that makes my day, really.
Very famous chicken sisig. And this one is chicken barbecue. Tingnan nyo, may ano siya. My sauce is always good with rice because we prepare everything with rice.
How was it?
Tastes like home.
My first ever.
How was it? Good?
So good.
Okay.
Oh, it's good.
How was it? It's really nice. I like it. When you pair it with rice, it's dressing.
And what is this one?
Sisig. Chicken sisig. How was it?
I like more this, you know?
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Overall, I had a really nice, pleasant flight. Very seasoned. Yeah, they really do thrive to be the best, and it shows. It does. I mean, it's not perfect, but they thrive to be. Bye.
Bye. Thank
See you guys.
See you next time.
See you. You're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome home. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Hi. How are you? Good, good. Oh, isa lang. 2 weeks lang eh. Hello. How are you?
Chuleta? You stink. You're so stinky.
Sweet and sour pork, salted fish fried rice, beef and broccoli. Oh, iba talaga yung lasa ng pork sa atin. Galing tayong biyahe kagabi. Dami kong kinain sa aeroplano. Dami kong snacks kinain. Carbs, grabe. Tapos pag uwi sa bahay, imagine fried rice, siomai, sweet and sour pork sa gabi. Midnight yan. Kaya tingnan mo. Huwag na natin. Nakatakin na yan ah. Kaya cardio muna tayo dito sa Awaken. Ano next course?
Okay, next, ski.
Ski. Mga siguro nasa, yung strain level ko nasa 10 na.
10 na.
Pero normally, ano yung strain level?
15, 16.
Yun
Yun talaga.
yung dapat.
Dapat.
Kung strain level ka na 10,
Parang mga easy yun.
easy.
Easy pa yun. Balik. Next muna. Yan. That's it, chef. That's it. Yan. Tama yan.
Tandaan ako ng customer ka ako dito, Chef eh.
Ha?
Sabi sa akin, ikaw yung kasama ni Chef JB sa vlog ha.
Ganun ba?
Oo, sir.
Haba ng buhok mo ah. Okay. Grabe. Iniisip kita ng dalawang araw. Ikaw talaga ang una kong kainin dito. May gloves ka. Hindi, sorry, may kailangan tayong i-ref, no?
Yes.
Sige. Ayan, Chef Kim. Daddy ni Chef Kim, mas pogi kung napansin nyo. Dating executive chef. Executive pastry chef ng Shangri-La. BGC. For ilang years? 10 years. Wow. Kaya nasa jeans. Wow. Konting fit check lang. And wonder. And then Kuya shirt. And then nakalimutan ko nung brand, parang North Face, Bloodstone. And then ano sombrero mo?
Human made.
Tapos shirt, Uniqlo. Pants, Uniqlo. Brief, Uniqlo.
CA.
Okay, mabilis lang talaga tayo. Pero wala naman traffic. Abot tayo siguro ng Malabon ng 1 hour. Kulang. Nakakamiss ka. Touchdown Malabon, walang traffic. And anong tawag dito? Secret building. So ito yun. Dito siya nagwo-workout.
Yes. Hindi, iba yung sa bahay na chef, ito yung pang office. Dito kami nag-workout. Kasi required kami na.
Required na.
Nire-require kami.
Talaga?
Kung ano na maririnig mo pag hindi ka narinig. Yung tingin? Nire-require na kami, so... Pwede namang hindi, pero... Kung ano lang maririnig mo.
So music, ganon.
Yeah, music. Yeah. Hindi lang aircon, pero...
Pwede, pero yun naman talaga yung gym eh. Wow. 3 floors.
3 floors.
Oh.
Medyo...
Oy, asti. Oy. Ayun na siya. The elusive. One and only.
Indoor office.
Principal.
Hello, hello.
Mukha lang ng
Basta.
conference.
Basta. Basta.
Si Chu ang aming kaibigan mo.
Magic lang. Saan pang magic?
Ito bagong muka.
Si Chu!
Hello, hello.
Grabe, kala ko nakalimutan mo na kami kasi sikat ka na eh.
Ay, nakakalimot na yan. Hello, hello. Uy.
May puro mental telepathy na lang tayo.
Wow.
Kamusta ang kitchen namin? Kamusta? Okay naman?
Very impressive, impressive.
If you look here, same na same pa rin. Wala na bago.
Galing.
Gustong gusto. Kakamiss.
Baka nasa 60%.
Ito yung kay Ian.
Yes! Yung...
Ano nga pangalan?
Mylins.
Mylins. Tama, tama, tama.
Wala nang iba.
Wala nang iba. Tama, tama.
Nakaset, ano yan eh, hindi ko alam si Mami. Si Mami ang ano dyan.
Talaga, si Mami gumawa.
Kumusta, chef? Okay na okay pa.
Kalamansi! Kalamansi!
Masarap. Parang siya, hindi siya in your face. Parang dahan-dahan siya. Creeper siya. Creeper na agad.
Ano siya eh, pag ginunguya mo, nag-evolve yung lasa. Parang Pokemon yan.
Oo.
Basta sa amin, walang ganyan.
Yung sharp na... Longganisa ba yan?
Pwede.
Longganisa ba yan?
Parang.
Yung ground pork.
Ano?
Yung ground meat.
Ano?
Parang longganisa.
Ewan ko dyan sa nanay niya. Marami dyan nanay niya eh. Sorry.
Kasi doon nang galing yung maalat eh.
Tinatanong mo yan, wala namang alam yan. Di ba nagluluto yan?
Liver lang yan.
Liver lang yan.
Sockmate lang.
Baka nasa ilalim.
Nag-load rin ako na eh. Kasi kahapon, nag-gym ako. Normally, after school na straight. 10, 11, 12, yun end. So kahapon, nag-15.
O, endurance.
Okay, 10 bets ako kanina.
Everyday ka?
Or yung ano ko. Or yung buhat ko. Sarap ang kettle bell. Skill work siya. Swing siya. Pero malakas kumiyot sa time sa akin.
Sabi kayo totoo.
Gusto ko yung kettlebell. Kasi BTS. Ayan. Aaron, nagtatanong sila kailan daw may edit to.
September, de joke lang.
Sige.
August 22?
Chef,
Lagyan mo lang dyan.
saan tayo mag-start? Walang order.
Walang order.
Camera down. Camera down na yung sa amin. Sa kay Ryan, pinapatrabaho pa.
Ito na.
Ito yung idea ko daw eh.
Camera 1, camera 2. Attack!
Yan! Uy! Ito! Ito! Pumadali ako! Pumadali ako!